Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I just want to say Happy New Year to each and every one of you guys that are the part of the Crypto ZX community. I love each and every one of you guys, and I hope the year of 2022 is nothing but filled with blessings and you guys achieve everything you set your mind towards this year. And just remember, your support means the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much, guys. Alright guys, if we're looking at the overall market, but before we begin, you guys know we need to say the disclaimer: anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I am not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. If we are looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.36 trillion. We are up 3.5% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance is currently sitting at 37.9%. As you guys may know, Bitcoin dominance is a little inaccurate if we are looking at the coin market cap and CoinGecko numbers, but as of recording this video, Bitcoin dominance is currently sitting at 40.17%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, you guys can see we have seen quite a bit of a sharp drop over the last 7 days. As holidays came, we did see Bitcoin price, move towards the downside. So obviously that has impacted the overall cryptocurrency markets. But as we started this year of 2022, we have seen in the last 24 hours quite a bit of green across the board. Some altcoins are doing quite well, such as Algorand, Cosmos up double digits over the last 7 days. So that's something definitely we like seeing within the markets. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one coin, and that is Vechain. All right, my Vechain family, before I begin, I just want to say thank you so much for all the support that you guys have showed me over the past 2 years. I love each and every one of you guys, and always remember, your support means the world to me. Thank you once again. Looking at the Vechain price right now, guys, you guys can see we are currently trading at 0.086 cents. We are up 0.26%. We're up 2.6% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also up 0.8% in Bitcoin compared over the last 24 hours. VeChain's current ranking in the cryptocurrency market is at the top 33 spot. Market cap right now is $5.72 billion, and the 24-hour trading volume is at $186.6 million. Zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last year alone, we're still up 356.6%, so let's not forget that when we are looking at the prices. But before we begin into the exciting stuff, the chart, see what's going on, and where we could be going in the immediate short term, I just want to say that this video is brought to you by Crypto.com. If you guys don't know what Crypto.com is, guys, Crypto.com is the world's fastest growing crypto app. Join 10 million plus users buying and selling 200 plus cryptocurrencies at true cost. You can spend with Crypto.com Visa card and get up to 8% back. And you can grow your portfolio by receiving rewards up to 14.5% on your crypto assets. And one thing I love about this app is that it can be downloaded on the major 2 platforms, the Apple App Store if you have an iPhone, and if you have an Android device, you can download this on the Google Play Store. And the best thing about this app is it's a one-stop shop. Not only could you buy your cryptocurrencies from here, you can transfer your fiat from your bank account onto this app, buy majority of the cryptocurrencies on here, and the best thing is you can stake it right on this platform. And the top thing that I love about this, as I have mentioned to you guys, is this: the Crypto.com Visa card. You can spend your gains with this Visa card anywhere Visa is accepted, guys. So that's absolutely insane. And you can also enjoy up to 8% back on all spending with your sleek pure metal cards. No annual fees. Top up with fiat or crypto. It's like a prepaid Visa card. If you want to check it out, link in the description box below. Use my code CryptoZX, as I have put that in the description box below. Not only will you get $25, but I will also get $25, and I'm sure you guys will find it very interesting. So please check it out, and thank you to the Crypto.com team for sponsoring this video. But now let's get right into the exciting stuff. The price, where's Vechain going in the immediate short term? So right as you guys can see, January 1st, 2022, Vechain has started off its price at 0.0853 cents. We're still in that 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level. And as you guys can see, guys, we did see Vechain break out towards the upside over the past, 2-3 days ago. We saw Vechain break out of this level of resistance, guys, and we were unable to hold above it because Bitcoin did see a fake out towards the upside, causing obviously the overall market to follow Bitcoin's momentum. But you guys can see one thing. I mentioned this in my last video as well. We tend to think there's a lot of bearishness. We tend to get a lot of fear across the board when prices move towards the downside. But you guys need to realize when markets coil towards the upside, we do see fast movement towards the top. And as you guys can see, this level of resistance is playing out very, very importantly for the price of Vechain. And I have mentioned this to you guys that we need to stay above here at all costs. If I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, from there we have dropped about 18.7%. And as I have mentioned this before to you guys, and I'll say this again, you never want to be buying when the prices are pumping left and right. When there is a lot of fear across the board, prices are cheap. That's where you should be dollar cost averaging in. If you believe the overall ecosystem for Vechain, you really do see Vechain is here to stay and what it's trying to do, and you have done your due diligence and research, now might be the time rather than buying up, all-time highs, when prices pumped up 200%, 300%. Prices around here are the time to dollar cost average in, because these are people who do that are the ones that tend to do quite well when the markets do coil up towards the upside. And as I have mentioned, the 78.6, guys, is a very, very important range for Vechain. We do have quite a bit of support built up around here, but me personally, I want Vechain to be above this level of resistance as soon as possible. As long as we're above here, we are looking good. But one thing that we should not be ignoring right now, obviously we are in a weekend, and it's New Year's. A lot of people are off and CME futures are closed. We do see a lot of manipulation occur within the Bitcoin price, but we are seeing something very, very interesting once again happen for the Bitcoin price. And let me explain exactly what that is. As you guys can see, we did see Bitcoin price go to our first confirmation at that $52,250 level. You cannot make this up, guys. You can literally not make this up. But guess what happened this time around? We were unable to break above it. See, guys, these lines that I have made are very, very important levels of resistance and support for the price of Bitcoin, and we were unable to break above here. And as you guys can see, we saw a rejection. But one thing that is very, very interesting that we're seeing right now happen is that this level of support at that $46,000 mark is playing out very, very importantly for the price of Bitcoin. We're still not out of the woods just yet, guys, because if the bears win this fight on this level of resistance, level of support, we could see more downwards momentum occur for Bitcoin. So Bitcoin is still at some critical price levels that should not be ignored. But if Bitcoin is able to break above that $52,250 level, that's our first confirmation, then we are talking about a total different picture all around. If that were to happen, I would not be surprised, as I have mentioned before to you guys as well. We could definitely see Vechain break out of the 78.6 Fibonacci retracement level and get back into 61.8. And once we're above the 61.8, the next level of resistance is coming up at the 13.1 cents mark, and that is a very crucial level. And once we break out of here, guys, we're off to that point 50. It's like nothing has ever happened. And this is cryptocurrencies right here for you guys. Patience is your number one best friend that you need to have in this market. Yes, the market can pump up, 600-700%, but it can also go 600-700% down. This is why you always need to be doing your due diligence and research and investing what you can afford to lose. If you have done that, guys, patience is your number one key to follow. And let's say you have done your due diligence and you believe that Vechain is here to stay and it's a project that you believe will be very, very promising over the next coming years, then staking is the best option. And you can also stake, as I had mentioned, on crypto.com. You can stake your Vechain on here, and what happens is that you can earn passive income off your Vechain. So you can compound your gains and make your holding bigger as time goes by. So over the next coming years, your holding gets way bigger than where it is at now. So far, so good. Nothing to worry about in my personal opinion. You guys know what Vechain is doing. Forget the price. Look at what they're solving, what they're developing. The time is going to come, and I'm very, very confident on that. But we will see what happens. Looking at the Bitcoin dominance right now, guys, nothing has happened quite significantly for the Bitcoin dominance, but we're still sitting at some quite low levels that we have not seen for quite a while. As I have mentioned in my previous video, if we break below 39.73% for the overall Bitcoin dominance, then we could be in for an altcoin season. And a lot of analysts are calling that to happen. But let me know in the comment section below what are you guys doing right now and where you could see Vechain price go at the end of quarter one. Let me know in the comment section below. I love each and every one of you guys. And also let me know what are your overall thoughts on the overall bull market. Do you guys think that we are going to top out sometime this year, or we're going to continue this bull rally till the end of this year? Let me know in the comment section below. I would love to know your thoughts. And also let me know where you could see Vechain go at the end of quarter one. And if I can ask you guys for one favor, that is if you can like, comment, and subscribe. That's literally all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. If you guys want to earn $25, check the link in the description box below for crypto.com. Sign up for the prepaid Visa card, and you will get free $25 that you literally spend anywhere cryptocurrency Visa is accepted. I love each and every one of you guys. 2022 is the year for our channel, and we're about to take over. Remember that, guys. I love you all. Stay safe out there. Safety, health, and family comes first, and everything else absolutely comes later. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and peace out.